Well, since I'm doing all this now, I guess I'm actually gonna have to wire this place up. Poster child for 2 extension cords on one. Well, something's got to be sketchy. Well, how's it going, everybody? Tuesday morning here at the house. Appreciate everybody coming on last night for the Monday Night Live. And basically, past few days, and I did the car show on Saturday, but not really working on cars right now. I've been having a little issue with space in my garage, and I finally needed to address it, especially now since I'm actually doing more work out of the garage. And so I need to reconfigure it, get it more friendly, more accessible. That way I'm not walking over things. And also get things set up to where I can have one bay of the garage for work going in and out. I can have the other side for a long-term project, because I'm going to be doing one of my own builds here. And so I had to make some room. So when I first got this garage, I needed something for us to do things on, because when we first got this place, it didn't have a garage. So I had a prefab garage company come out, put me a garage in, and it did its part what it needed to do for a while. But now, with everything going on, me more at home now, semi-retired, doing work out of my garage, plus the YouTube thing, and then working with Uncle Tony on stuff, I need to make some changes. So past few days I've been busy working on it, and I needed to make it a little bigger. So I blew out the side and added roughly 14 by 7 more space. And but yeah, right now my garage is a total mess, so not being able to really work on anything until I get that done. So anyway, opened it up, and this is kind of going to be my workstation area for doing other stuff. I still got closed corners in. Yes, I know I need to get a couple more 2x4s and get that done. But I basically needed the room, man. I mean, because I've got this whole side of the garage here, is basically, holding all kind of different things. Got the bike in here. But this is space that I really need. So a lot of this is going to be going in the other area. My rack here has got all my Hemi parts and stuff like that are going to go over there. This workbench / countertop table is going over to the other side. That way there I'll also be able to store my engine hoist, engine stand. There'll be enough little space left in there for me to actually do motors in there off to the side. And I just needed the space. So I'm going to take this pole out right here. I'm going to put a header across this part of the garage and get all this cut out so I'm not stepping over it. But sometimes it gets to the point, man, you got to expand. And this probably won't be the last time this garage gets expanded. I might go more forward out with it towards the driveway, or maybe possibility to do a open carport area over the front. And but I really can't go back of the garage and go out without digging out the ground and stuff, the way my yard is set up. So I got to figure out to do what's more efficient for me. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of stuff coming, getting ready to go through the pipeline. We got a couple projects here we want to get started on, and I got to have the room to do it. And I don't mind working outside on some things, but I love the fact of having a cover over me. But the good thing is, though, once I get all this done, I can get back working on my stuff, projects, and everything else, and get things rolling. Now, as y'all know, some of y'all kept up on that build. This is a 5.7 that I'm building for Kiwi for the Himibishis. So I'm still waiting on parts on that. I got with him the other day. I need to order a set of head gaskets for it. And once I get that done, basically the long block will be done. And then the rest of it's just going to be accessories and everything. And so I can get that wrapped back up and get it back over to him. Also, with the 440 build, 6-pack that Kiwi's got that we were going to be building for his car for the No Name Nationals, which is over at Tony's shop. Got with him yesterday, and we've got the stroker kit ordered now. It should be here in a week and a half. So I'm going to be starting on that, so stay tuned for that. Because Tony and I got to get his car ready for No Name Nationals as well. So on that aspect, we're going to be busy. So I'm trying to take any bit of little downtime I've got right now to focus on what I need to do here at my home garage and just get things set where it's a better work environment. So we'll see how it goes. But next few days is going to be just finishing this up, cleaning it up, get things moved, get stuff moved around, utilize that area over here, and start getting back to work on projects. And we'll see how it goes. You know, most time I'm a one-man deal. I kind of do everything. And I do appreciate you guys in the comments, you know, about me being a workhorse. I've always been that way. Sometimes I can't do what I want to do because of my rheumatoid arthritis now, and now being diagnosed with COPD. But I try to make the most of it. I get up every day. Sometimes I hurt, sometimes I don't. But I still make myself do what I got to do. I'm just not the type of person to be sitting down doing nothing. And sometimes it bites me in the butt. I mean, trying to work on this and get it all expanded out. You know, it's been sore. It's been kind of hard to walk around past couple of days. But this is what's going on over here at the home shop. I'll update y'all once I get everything done and get reorganized. And you kind of see what's going on in my brain as a game plan. And but other than that, guys, I'm gonna get back to work on this, and I'll see you down the road.